Hello, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Members of the diaspora living in South Florida will be in for a treat as the National Dance Theatre Company NDTC will host 3 shows there in October. The NDTC is celebrating 60 years and recently concluded its season of dance locally. The shows in South Florida will run from October 1 to 3. UK fans of King of Dancehall Beenie Man have been left disappointed after a show which he should have performed at tonight was postponed. He was unable to secure a work visa ahead of the show. Beenie Man made the announcement on his Twitter account. The concert has been pushed back to November 27.
And what we come to do, we come here to make some money and love some honest and great for our own time. Yeah, your love Father God and bun bad mind, sing the punchline. His blessings from blessings from blessings, yeah. His blessings from blessings from blessings.
Now on the international scene, a documentary looking at the life of Bahamian-American actor Sidney Poitier will be released tomorrow. Produced by Oprah Winfrey, the documentary will feature interviews with Robert Redford, Halle Berry, Barbara Streisand, and more. Titled Sidney, it will also highlight the racism and other challenges he faced throughout his career. Sidney Poitier died early this year at the age of 94.
The world I knew was quite simple. I didn't know there was such a thing as electricity or that water could come into the house through a pipe. I never thought about what I looked like. I didn't know what a mirror was.
When you grow up in a community where everything you know is powerful and good and it's black, there's no concept of race.
That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.